We're in Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya. Ayu what something. So if you ask like what?
Yeah, like what?
Yeah, okay.
Quickly, the whale is over there. Oh my goodness.
Let the viewers enjoy the serenity.
I want to go up there. Okay, I'll find a way, yeah?
Okay, let's go. Let's check it out.
Oh, look at this little thing.
Oh, we actually can climb up.
No, no, no. Center. Go to the center. What? You give me a photo.
Anything to see in here?
Dead end, dead end.
Yeah, it's a dead end.